You don't need paid ads to succeed in dropshipping. In fact, organic social traffic is one of the best ways to build trust in sales without spending a dime. Start by building a content first brand on TikTok or Instagram. Don't just post product clips, create short videos that solve a problem, show the product in action, or react to common customer pain points. Story based content works best. Think before and after. How I found this, or I wish I had this sooner. Use trending sounds and hashtags in your niche to get discovered. Focus on one platform first, master it, grow consistently, and then repurpose the same videos for Reels and YouTube Shorts. That way, your one piece of content can hit three major audiences. Make sure your bio has a clear link to your product. Use tools like Linktree or a custom domain to drive traffic to your store. And when people start commenting or asking questions, engage with them. And that's where trust builds and sales happen. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. And want a step by step guide on what to post daily? Or let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you up in the next video with some more helpful and useful videos.